In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use RAG with ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever wrestled with shallow answers, outdated info, or flat-out hallucinations, you know how frustrating generic responses can be. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG for short, fixes that by grounding ChatGPT in your own trusted sources before it generates a single word. I'll walk you through building a clean RAG pipeline inside the ChatGPT interface, wiring in live cloud apps, organizing vector-ready knowledge, running strict grounded prompts, and auditing citations so you can ship with confidence. We'll start by creating a dedicated workspace so your reference data stays isolated and consistent. Open the left sidebar, head to Projects, and select Create New Project. Give it a clear name so it's obvious what lives here and what doesn't. This keeps proprietary materials siloed, separate from casual chats, and ensures the model retrieves from a controlled environment rather than scattered uploads. Next, connect your live knowledge repository so you're not re-uploading documents every day. In your project settings, open Connected Apps and click Add Source. Choose the cloud locations you actually use: Drive, OneDrive, Notion, or a GitHub repo, and approve the secure permissions. For clean retrieval, point indexing at the specific folders that matter and avoid noisy catch-all directories. This keeps your knowledge layer current without manual maintenance. Now prepare your text so semantic search returns exactly what you need. Disorganized giant files lead to messy chunks and off-target answers. Make sure documents are readable, consistent, and structured with headings. In the prompt editor, seed a retrieval anchor to steer pre-processing, such as act as an advanced data localization engineer. Scan the connected repositories, break content into coherent semantic fragments, map key definitions, and index them for instant vector extraction. This helps the system produce precise, reusable chunks. With sources indexed, it's time to generate grounded answers. Confirm your model is set to thinking mode for deeper cross-referencing. Then issue a command like role, principal systems reviewer, and data auditor. Task, answer my questions strictly from the retrieved assets in this project. Constraints, rely 100% on attached files. If data is missing, say information not found. Format, include page and document citations. This framing forces the model to stay within your evidence. Finally, audit the output. Under the response, open sources and reasoning to see exactly which snippets were retrieved. Compare citations, scan the split view, and verify the logic chain aligns with your documents. If something looks off, refine your query or adjust the source scope, then rerun. Offloading context retrieval, live syncing, and attribution to ChatGPT's native RAG lets you move faster with precision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next